jor madiane dore keyboard la dit makiluoni teko Wilfred ma eno loka chelki la dira chel piaro adonkulu matie kangeno chuchok lok matikati meke kwara chuli bene teko Wilfred kono tiki brand mediane makiluoni Luo TV ulo kila diti information mokati chana nyorati kamalengni dul pa ke kwara chule nyoni ruodi magitika metro dogitika chwako yene eneni gintie ka coupe ka chel ke headquarters pa police pa Uganda police mono dongwa Kampala wekinong hoda wakikunu wako yene gi mimede ke ye eneni kitung chel gembeno wayni dano mira ko ignoring kit rumors moiken unyo gimoiken dong matia genis genichane piani giendo itiyo michero kit gumye chakiloj we genen many yene ni utukite mechot.
This thing is being handled. You know, this thing is just politics. Jonam, we have blocked all avenues. Don't they want to intimidate the local police account? But we are going to get instruction from police headquarters, I can tell you. Yeah, we are consulting. Kampala is going to send a directive. We have not broken any law. We have finished all the processes. Even the Ministry of Gender is aware. What the Ministry of Gender, it is with the police. The police is ignoring it. So we are getting back to Kampala Ministry. We are getting back to police headquarters. Yeah, but it takes a bit of time. The clarification is going to come. Okay. I think for now, let's ignore it.
Okay.
One, we are on our way to keep them.
Okay,
fine, and thanks.
News mokate kono chawani eneni macha choke monyo no police jogo ruri eneni pego mede ke gorani jogo management mi ya chakiloj pego ye gona ko teme kidon community premier ko kun gi waya tini clearance mo pege bi mio pe germa kilwoni security nyoni gokuch pego biye ni gine ko teme well social media chane wiye chelo bajule tutwale WhatsApp dano chungi tika chwe kun maduonge gitika tamni nen chala polijeni eneni chwao ruot achana yedong piani ki neno gitika neno ni nen chalo ngat mati kom ma ay ruot achani yedong petika meto ye dano ma pol tika reacting WhatsApp kun dam tika nyota kamongi matek kid mo wechu kede gimoy ken no no be karbotu foi matek